Namaste and welcome to my channel Panchkosh. Today we are going to do a quick warm-up session. Before doing any kind of yoga practice or cardio or gym exercise, we actually need to warm our body up. So today we are going to do a warm-up session. In yoga we call it as Sukshma Yoga. So get on your mat and start with me. So first of all, sit in Dandasana or stick pose. In this asana, just stretch your legs straight like this. Touch your toes, your heels together, knees pulled up, belly button in and up, spine straight. Roll your shoulders back. There should be a good gap between your ears and shoulders. That should always be minded, like it has to be downwards. Your shoulders should be downwards like this. Your hands besides your legs, and we'll be looking straight like this. And first we'll start stretching our fingers. So flex them with exhalation and point them and inhale. Exhale, flex, inhale, point. We'll do it for 5 times. Keep breathing and breathe out. Now we'll be moving our ankles. So again, flexing and pointing. So flex with exhalation and point with inhalation. We'll do it again for 5 times. Now shake your knees and again start with rolling our ankles like this. First clockwise, going all the way, keep inhaling and exhaling. We'll do it for 5 times. 3, 4 and 5. Now I'll rotate them the other way around. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now relax. Now fold your right leg, interlace your finger under your knee and hold your thigh from here. And now keep your spine straight all the time. Look in front. Now we'll stretch our leg up. Exhale and take it down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Remember, we are not touching our foot to the ground. We'll be keeping it a little higher. Up and down. And 5th time up, point it and take it down. Now from here, just hold the ankle of this leg and put it on your left thigh. Now from here, put your right hand on your right knee and press it down with exhalation. Inhale and press your right knee towards your chest like this and exhale. Inhale, go down. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Inhale down, exhale up. One more time. Inhale down, exhale up. Now hold the finger of your foot and roll the ankle like this for 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Now again relax your right leg. We'll do the same with our left leg. So we'll bend our knee, hold the under the thigh, interlace our fingers like this, and we'll be holding under our knee. We'll be supporting from here. And now we'll take our leg all the way up and we'll keep our foot pointed like this. Exhale and go down. We are not touching our foot to the ground. Inhale up and point. Exhale down. up, down, one more time, up and down. And the same way we'll be putting our left foot to our right thigh, and from here we'll be pressing it down the knee with inhalation. Exhale and press the knee towards your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we'll be rolling our ankle by holding the fingers. So clockwise first 5 times and then anti-clockwise. Then we'll straight our leg like this, straighten both the legs together, put them together. And now from here just widen them to the width of your mat like this. And we'll be doing 5 rounds of Chakki Sanchalanasana. So for this we'll be joining our hands like this and we'll be going clockwise. First inhale, exhale and bend forward, go down, inhale and come up, exhale, go down from left to right, then up, inhale, exhale, go down, up, down, up, down and up. Now we'll do 5 times anti-clockwise. So we'll start from here. Inhale, exhale and bend forward from right to left and come back. Again go down, inhale and come up, exhale and go down, inhale and up. One more time we'll be doing it. So bend forward and come back. Now again put both your legs together and come in front, like folding one leg and come in front. Take your right leg as wide as possible, like it has to be 90 degrees. Stretch it more, but it's okay. If you can't, you can put it here also, but try to stretch it as much as possible. Now we'll be doing some stretching of the obliques. With your right index finger and middle finger, hold the big toe like this, or if it's not possible you can even just hold your shin bone from here, but try to bend more and hold the big toe. Now from here try to touch your elbow to the knee. So bend towards your right and touch your elbow to the knee, and from here take your left hand up, inhale, exhale and try to touch your big toe from your left hand as much possible. So it's good if you can go till here, but if it's not, it's also fine, you can stay till here. So for the beginners, this is a good stretching of your right obliques and even some stretching over your left part also. So you can just keep your hand over the ears and you can keep your hand here. Otherwise you can go a little deeper like this. With every exhalation you will feel more comfortable going down, and you can stay here for 30 good seconds. Keep breathing, inhale and exhale. Now exhale and come up. So it was a good stretching of both the sides. From here you can just take your right leg back with your left foot, and from here we'll be doing a butterfly asana. So for this we'll be holding our feet from our interlaced fingers like this. Keep your back straight and just flap your thighs like this. So just hold your foot here both the feet together and hold it tightly and just flap your thighs. You can go faster. It's a good warm up. We can do it simply for a minute. You can do even faster with faster pace like this, but keep your spine straight all the time. Now from here we'll keep our right leg here only and we'll stretch our left leg and keep stretching it like this. Put your right leg here only. Now we'll be stretching our other side. So we'll be holding our big toe with our right hand. We'll try to touch our elbow to the knee. You should always try to go a little bit deeper. So this is the ultimate position where we need to reach. So after this we'll be inhaling. With deep inhalation we'll go all the way over the ears. You can be here. This is also a good stretching. Now we can bend a little more with the next exhalation. Every exhale you feel more flexible and you can go deeper like this. It's a good stretch of the obliques. Stay here, keep breathing. Keep the smile on your face. Don't stress. Be comfortable. Just find the calm in this position. And then take a deep inhale and come back to the position of this. We'll be sitting folded legs, easy position like this. Now we'll do some exercise for our hands. So first just spread your arms and stretch your fingers like this. At least do it for 5 times. Now we can do the rolling of our ankles. For our ankles, we'll be rolling it like this. Other way around. For shoulders, we'll keep our hands here. Exhale and take both your arms in front and scoop your belly in. Inhale and take your arms back side. Open your chest. Inhale. Then exhale again and come in front. Inhale and hands at the back and keep your chin up. Exhale, chin down, hands in front, hands together, then hands apart, going at the back and inhale. Now from here we'll be rolling our shoulders like this. And the other way around. It's a good stretch. You can just look your head like this. Then with the last one for our neck, just keep like this. And then from here, take a deep breath in and roll your head from right to left and then exhale and come down again. One more time. Inhale, rolling your neck and going halfway, and then exhale and come back in front. Now we'll do the same the other way around. Inhale and go back like this, and exhale and come back. One more time. Exhale and come back. Slowly open your eyes. So we are done with today's session. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos this month because I'll be uploading some exciting exercises, some back strengthening yogasanas, then upper back flow, lower back flow, and a meditative and pranayama sessions too. So stay tuned and please do like, share and subscribe. And always be happy and stay fit. Namaste.